Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Instagram tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to see all of the posts that you've liked on Instagram. So following the steps in this video will allow you to see which posts you've liked and then also unlike them as well. So the first thing you need to do is open up Instagram on your phone. Once you've opened up Instagram, go down in the bottom right corner and select the little profile image right there. This will take you to your Instagram profile page. From here, what we need to do is open up the menu by selecting the three lines in the top right. And then once the menu opens, go down to the bottom and select Settings. So once we're in Settings, you want to scroll down until you see Account right here and select Account. Once you're in Account, simply scroll down until you see Posts you've liked. And then as you can see, these are all the posts that I've liked on Instagram. If I select into it, I can see that I did actually like this picture. And if I want to unlike it, I can do that. So that's how you see all the posts you've liked on Instagram. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Instagram tutorial videos, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.